Whitmill Veterinary College and Veterinary Hospital.
Hakabaya day bat gajing kiu jang gajing bom yo kam yo jam jang ki samla ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society kala Pynlong ya ka Overseas Job Fair hanong ba Shillong ya ka ni ka Job Fair la Pynlong ha State Convention Center da gajing thmu ban ailat iki nong tre ki badon ya ka sap kapong bakin yo ikilat ban yo kam yo jam shabari Menteri Ketenat Kekoi Kekia Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo ila banjur halor kecing ki ba ki samla Meghalaya ki laya kendu da ka ba pentip ba laipo nyo na ka shispa jang ki samla ki ba hapo laipo san snem karta ki shem jing ban yo kam yo jam ka sorkar ka yai beteng ban treshitom ban penmi ki lat ki lenti ban yo kam yo jam bat ya keren ru shapang gajing jang gajing bom yo kam yo jam.
Coming from various quarters, questioning government, why are you sending citizens to different countries and different parts of India? Why are you not able to do that in your own state? Amidst all the problems that we have, lack of industries, lack of companies coming to the state of Meghalaya, lack of good salaries to pay and offer our citizens, government will take this criticism, but we will take action also. This is what this job fair is all about.
Menteri